Pigouvian Tax. To understand this, let's take an example of a company which is producing the electricity from coal. In this process of electricity generation, the company is also causing the various sort of pollutions to the nearby localities. Though the benefit of electricity generation will reach to various people, but the negative consequences of this process of electricity generation is faced by the people living nearby the power plant. So it will be these people who gonna face the negative externalities. So to lessen the severity of this production process, Arthur Pigou proposed a tax should be imposed on such economic transactions. That is, whatever raw material this company will be purchasing, a tax will be imposed on the cost of that transaction. In other words, you can say that this tax is actually a social cost of such private transaction. For example, carbon tax, cess on coal. Now, since it is serving two purposes, one, raising revenue for the government, second, serving the broader social purpose of lessening the pollution and its impact. So it can also be called as the double dividend of tax.